This is project Gonna Happen, an ECD custom Defender 110 built to our client's exact specification. Gonna Happen is painted in full gloss Grasmere green with black and silver accents. Gonna Happen sits on 16-inch Land Rover silver wheels with BFG all-terrain tyres. This 110 features a full external 6-point roll cage, classic front bumper with worn winch, and 4 LED spotlights up front. Gonna Happen also features our stunning custom American oak wood in the load area. Inside, and probably one of my favourite interiors so far, with classic gauges, 2 Corbeau trail cap front and mid-row seats, with 4 inward facing jump seats in the load area. Each seat is finished in Porsche Cognac Napa leather with a Pepita houndstooth insert, stitched together in Garrett sumac. Gonna Happen is powered by our GM LS3 engine with 6-speed automatic transmission. This 110 also features an array of modern elements such as JL Audio sound, Apple CarPlay, rear AC, and access to USB charging ports throughout.